Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check out how to remove all TikTok reposts at once. If you're new, hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Now let me show you the simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Step 2. Tap the three lines or dots at the top right corner. Step 3. Go to Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Step 5, now tap on Watch History, select All, and then tap Delete. Step 6, go back to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Step 7, tap Submit a Report and write your message. For example, "Hello TikTok team, I want to remove all my reposts for privacy reasons. Please help me delete them." Step 8, tap Submit and wait for 24 to 48 hours. That's it. Your repost should be removed soon. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.